So Cursor just came out with something new. It's called Grokbot. I got early access to it, so I've been able to test it out for a couple of days. And I have to say, this could be the thing that finally gets regular people to start using AI agents.
This app just turned robots into free workers, and I need to talk about it.
Opening up the desktop app, you'll see that this UI feels very similar to a messenger app like iMessage. Everything you do in Grokbot centers around these bots that you set up. For instance, here I have one that helps me with my emails, one that helps me outline my YouTube videos. This one helps me negotiate deals. And then I also have one that I just use for general purposes if it doesn't fit into one of the other categories.
It looks like a normal texting app, but every chat is a robot with a job. One robot does emails and another one does research. My manager cannot even split work this nicely.
What's also pretty neat here is you can start a chat with multiple bots, not limited to just one. You can see that at the top, for instance. I have a new chat open here. I already have 2 of my bots selected. I can select even more if I wanted to.
So how do you make one of these robots? The next part is the easy part.
Now, you can do this fully by having the AI set it up for you, because all you have to do is just talk to the bot and it will set itself up. So here, for instance, it's asking me, what do I want to use the bot for? What do I want it to be around for?
There is no coding and there are no settings to learn. He types what he wants, like he is texting a friend. I took a whole course to learn Excel, and this robot learned its job in 1 minute.
And then I'm just going to describe down here what I'm looking for. So I'm going to tell it, hey, I need your help with planning out a vacation. I want to put together a couple of different itineraries to different locations, and then I want you to find me the best deal and monitor.
Now here is the crazy part. This robot works even when the computer is off.
All right, so it has identified some travel itineraries for me, and it says which ones should I watch. I'm going to have it watch all 3 of them, and it's going to be able to do that.
The robot has its own computer in the cloud. He can close his laptop and go to bed, and the work still gets done. I wish my life worked like that.
Even if my computer is off and it's closed, because each bot gets its own always-on computer with a browser, files, and logins, so it can keep working even when you're not working and when your computer.
But hold on. Does this robot see his password? That part scared me a little.
You can see a good example of that right here. I'm setting up this new bot called LinkedIn. He's going to help me do some research on LinkedIn into different companies. But in order to do that, he's saying that I should log into my LinkedIn account so it can actually use the browser and navigate around LinkedIn, find different companies to reach out to, and actually reach out to them for me.
He types the password himself, and the robot just waits. This is the part that builds trust for me. Many people fear AI with their accounts, and this tool fixed that fear.
So it went to linkedin.com. I can click right here now where it says take over to actually enter in my password and login information, because that's not something I want to actually give one of my bots.
By the way, if you want the full breakdown of this, I've got a free training linked first in the description. But let me show you the next part first, because this is where it gets interesting.
So I can click right here where it says sign in with email, go ahead and sign in. And now that I'm signed in, I can click on the top right here where it says I'm done, continue, and then the bot can take back.
Next, he trains the robot like a new worker on day 1. Watch this.
You can also teach the bot a task. So if you click on the top right here where it says teach a task, it is now recording its own screen, and you can show it step by step how you want it to go through a certain workflow or task.
He just records his screen, and the robot watches and learns. I trained a new guy at my job for 3 months, and he still asks me questions. This robot learns faster than all of us.
Like I'll tell it to open up Google Chrome, tell it to navigate to a website, click here, do that. And it records all of that and learns it so that it can then repeat it on its own in the future. So once you're done, you just click on stop, and then all of that is automatically being loaded into it as a skill for itself.
And it gets better because now the robot can do that job on repeat.
And then anything a bot does for you can be done on a schedule. So in the case of Atlas, which was the bot that we had set up to help me find a very good deal on a flight,
he just asked in the chat, and the robot made its own schedule. No alarms and no reminders needed. I forget to drink water, but this robot never forgets its job.
I just described to it, hey, I want you to keep an eye on all the airlines and different hotels and find me a good deal. And so you see over here on the right, underneath routines, it set that up to run on a schedule. You can always press on this plus icon to create a new routine by hand, like manually doing it.
And the best part is not even on the computer. It is inside his pocket.
But honestly, I don't see myself using Grokbot all that much. And by that, I mean the Grokbot desktop app.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Because everything you can do with Grokbot, you can do from your phone with the app. And I think this is a much better way to use it.
The phone app does everything the computer app does. You can check your robots on the bus or at lunch break. A full team inside your pocket, and nobody asks for a day off.
So here inside my phone, you can see I'm here inside Grokbot, and you can see all the same chats that are available on the desktop app. And I can click on the top right here and create a new bot or create a new group chat with multiple bots.
This is the first AI tool that really feels like hiring a team. So tell me what job you would give your first robot. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.